pinasasalamatan ko talaga ng gusto sa Diyos kasi kung ano man yung nakita sa akin ng mga tao na yun, kung bakit gumagastos sila para bumiyahe from different places pa, mga pamasahe, ganyan. Kung ano man yun, talagang pinasasalamatan ko ang Diyos.
Excited po ako kasi makikita ko na siya ng medyo personal. Kahit na medyo malayo to kasi upper box lang.
Ay, yung bali yung sayaw, number 1. Kasi alam niyo naman, Martin, hindi masyadong parang sayaw. Tapos, number 2 yung kanta ni Sarah, medyo okay siya from oldest. Newest to oldest.
Naman, kasi di ba sila sa daba, sabi ni Martin may dance number si Sarah Geronimo.
Siguro abangan namin ngayong gabi.
At saka pagdating sa mga fast song, sa pagsayaw, the best talaga si Sarah.
Every time kasi na magpe-perform si Sarah, talaga parang laging bago. So parang wala naman kaming ina-expect. Naso-surprise na lang kami ng kusa, no?
Basta nagugulat na lang kami kung ano yung papakita niya naman ulit. Lalo na kayo kasama niya si Martin Rivera.
Iba naman, duet naman. Parang first time
With Martin pa.
Dito bumibili po ako ng food ni Sir Martin. Yung favorite niyang food, sinigang na yung fish. Yan ang mga niya. Parang hindi na, parang lang sa yan sa kanya. Siguro may konti, hindi ko nararamdaman, di ba? So may konti naman siguro. Parang pag kalug pa rin siya eh. So hindi ko alam kung ninervous siya. Kalug pa rin si boss ko.
Unang-una sa kanyang boses. Kaya naging concert king siya eh. At saka gwapo siya.
At saka mabait, pogi.
Super bait.
And this outfit that we're wearing right now, this is the one that we're gonna use at this concert right now with Sarah and Martin Rivera.
And it's very K-pop.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Sorry, gotta make you love me, baby.
Medyo nervous din kasi syempre hindi namin expect kung gano'ng karaming tao and then ayun. 5, 6, 7,
21. You gotta ring the alarm.
Are you ready? Well, let me hear you sing first. Here we go. Warm up time. Hurry up. Love, love. You sing, say. Love, love, love. Keep it on top of the louder. Come on. Love, love, love. Your turn. All right, here we go. Read the verse now. There's nothing you can do that can't be done.
If I were to compare her now and the first time I worked with her, before it was like straightforward singing, but now there's so much emotion kasi now. So when she sings a song, it's not necessarily always loud. times she biglang, that's where I can catch her now. That's where we click now. Parang, I know when she wants to go soft rather than sing it loud. People will expect her to sing it loud, but she will not. And I know, but hopefully she learned that from me, na there are times when you sing a song, you can just pause for a while. And may konting drama. Diba? And then, yeah, pause for a while and let them guess what you're gonna do next. And then continue singing. That's within a song.
My God, I mean, Sarah and Martin, that's blockbuster. It's fun, it was fun, it was great. I've never seen that Colosseum filled up so fast. I mean, alas 5 pa lang may mga tao na talagang pumipila. I mean, talagang makikita mo na ang dami talaga nagmamahal kay Sarah. Tsaka ang dami rin talaga nagmamahal kay Martin. It was a beautiful concert. Funny. I mean, the dynamics was very different from all her other concerts. After all, you know, Martin was there and Sarah. So it's a combination of probably sweet and spicy.
Bago mag-concert, kinakabahan ako. Ang dami kong iniisip. Kung magagawa ko ba ang dapat kong gawin o maibibigay ko sa mga taong nagpunta sa concert namin ang inaasahan nila from me. Nang magsimula na ang concert and I began singing and performing, especially with the Concert King, parang biglang naglaho ang worries ko. Everything flowed smoothly and I realized that maybe because sa entablado, I feel at home.
It was very interesting because the concept behind it was merging K-pop. I think that was the beginning of the whole storyline. She was doing something based on a Korean pop song. And so there were going to be a lot of dance movements there. So what we did was we wanted to sort of like do something very graphic. And I created a cat suit for her in black and white, which is graphically printed on the dress.
Yung experience ko, parang yung first time I worked with Pops. Many 100 years ago, ganyan din si Pops. Quiet, ako madaldal, ako gulo, siya maganda, siya sumasayaw, ako magulo na naman. So it was parang flashback para sa akin. It was like working with the concert queen once again, when we were both still very young.
Martin is a buddy from way back. But you know, si Sarah, nakasama ko sa pelikula yan, pero hindi director, no? Kasama niya lang as the co-actor, but ngayon as a director, tahimik, parang uunti-untiin mo makilala, pero definitely once na parang punong-puno ng talento, punong-puno, sumasabog. So, at saka very raw talent. I mean, wala siyang ginagaya, siyang siya.
If you're talking about repertoire, yes. She wanted, there was this medley called Angst medley, sakit na medley. And there were, suggestions coming from this side, from that side, So I did it based on what this person wanted, then revised, then this person wanted it. I did it that way until finally, naka-4 na revisions ako. And it was a matter of like taking out one song and just keeping this song na lang, parang gano'n.
For that rising star to guide me far and shine me home and live on high.
Feeling ko yun ang inaantay ng fans niya. Yung makita yung true emotions ni well, nakikita naman natin how she interprets yung mga songs na ginagawa niya. But this time, true emotion in the sense na alam naman nating lahat kung ano yung mga intriga at napapag-usapan about Sarah. This time, pinakita niya kung ano yung nararamdaman niya.
So when you come back around after spending the time, you see I'm almost over you.
First time na makatrabaho siya na in collaboration sa ibang artist like dito si Martin. So, kumbaga parang ibang Sarah naman yung makikita rito, ibang performance, ibang repertoire. Medyo malayo dun sa mga past na nakita ko na ginagawa niya. So, medyo exciting kasi medyo bago.
Hindi masasaktan ng artist ang tao kung hindi siya totoong nagmahal o nagmamahal. Pero sabi nga nila, hindi lahat ng gusto natin ay para sa atin. At sa lahat ng bagay, no, hindi lang ito sa love life, buhay pag-ibig, hindi lahat ng hilingin natin ay ibibigay sa atin ng Diyos. Dahil ang totoo, meron siyang napakagandang plano para sa bawat isa sa atin.
Masaya akong mag-perform. Masaya ako at nakatrabaho ko ang staff and crew ng What Love Is. At lalong-lalo na masaya ako na nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon na makasama si Mr. Martin Rivera. Sa mga nakapanood ng concert namin, sana ay naramdaman ninyo ang kaligayahan kong iyon at sana kagaya ko, napawi din ng musika at sayaw ang inyong mga pangamba.
Impressively, si Martin kasi, when I work with him, he's always fun to be with. What you see on stage is what he is backstage. Nakakatawa, makulit, and well, this many times, no, in the past, when there's something he does not get to study very well, dinadaan niya sa tawa. Pero this time, he really took time to study everything, and it was impressive because he would send me vocal guides. No, and dapat trabaho ko yun, no? But because he knew that, gipit sa oras, kaya magpapadala siya ng guide para makita ko agad what the number's supposed to sound like. Kasi kumbaga, I think the idea came from him. One of the numbers, the idea came from him. He had it arranged. And so, para makuha ko yung buong picture ng song, ginawa niya ng vocal guide pa.
Sobrang masaya po. Masaya. Ito na yata yung pinaka-enjoy kong show so far. Sobra akong, nandun yung tension, pero alam ko na kasama ko ang isang napakagaling na artist. At syempre, ang buong team, sila Sir Louie from the director, sa lahat, yung mga crew, ang buong staff, alam ko na okay kaming lahat, magiging maayos ang lahat. Dahil andun yung teamwork talaga at yung dedication ng lahat sa trabaho para mapaganda yung show. So, maraming salamat sa lahat na bumubuo ng show na ito.
Ladies and gentlemen, who will your papa and his house just come? Just shout it up here. The G-Boys. The beautiful women, speak it up. Who is Ronaldo? GB. The G of the G-Boys.
More than my expectation. Sobrang saya ko at sobrang happy dahil lahat ng nanood ngayon sa Araneta talagang nag-enjoy. Sa amin pong mga tao sa backstage, ang amin pong dream at hangarin lang mabigyan kayo ng syempre magagandang production numbers. And of course, we want you to be entertained. And happy naman ako kasi talagang naramdaman ko yung warmth ng pagtanggap nila kay Martin, kay Sarah, sa G-Force, sa lahat ng ginawa namin, pinagpaguran namin. Napasaya namin sila. Maraming salamat.
It's the first show together. Ang gaan ng pakiramdam. Parang enjoy kami, wala masyadong pressure. Wala talaga. Parang, well, syempre may mga kinikilala kasi first time ko actually sa isang major show kay Sarah. Ay, mga big shows ko, minsan hindi siya talaga yung pinaka-lead. Parang guest, maraming stars to combine. But this, syempre I have to know her better. So, na-enjoy ko talaga.
Praise God! Naging successful po ang aming Valentine's show ni Mr. Martin Rivera, ang isang concert king. Akalain mo talagang nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon na magkaroon ng concert with the one and only concert king. Talagang isang napakagandang blessing at napakalaking achievement ito. Napakagandang pagpasok ng 2011. So thank you, Lord, and maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood. Happy Valentine's!
finally got here. It's 12 midnight and she's here for breakfast. You know, I've never had a Jollibee, ever.
Oh.
My whole life. I've seen McDonald's for No. I mean, as a kid. It's the States. But here, never ako nag-try ng yung spaghetti, yes. Chicken joy, yes. But burger, never. Tagalog. Tagalog na yun. Dumudugo na yung ilong ko eh. Sabi ba yung Jollibee sa sponsor song?
Sa bahay po ni Sir Martin ginawa yung cast party. So talagang pinaghandaan niya mabuti. Ang narinig ko parang pinalitan niya pa yung paint ng walls, ganyan. Grabe. At pagpasok ko parang exhibit, no? May mga pictures namin nung concert. Pictures nila Mr. Sen, ng buong team nandoon. Pati si Mami, picture na nandoon. So sobrang nakakatuwa. Nakakatuwa talaga si Sir Martin. Hindi yun yung mga bagay na unexpected na sa isang superstar na katulad ni Sir Martin. Diba? Hindi mo akalain na ganun siya. Gumawa pa siya ng burgers para sa amin. I heard na siya pa yung nagluto ng ilang mga putahe. So, wow. Diba?
Well, with Martin, he gives importance sa mga tao na nakakatrabaho niya. Even sa utility. Sobrang, he will make you feel comfortable beside him. That's what's nice about Martin Rivera. Na kahit na concert king na siya, hindi niya ipaparamdam sa'yo na big star siya. When he walks in sa isang kwarto, you won't even notice him. I mean, notice na Martin being loud, no. You will notice him because talagang iba yung aura niya, but he will make you feel comfortable.
Do your thing. Sarah's gonna eat all of this because the diet is over. The concert is over, the diet is over.
Hindi, kumain lang ako ng burger. Kinalimutan ko muna ang diet ko. Pero ang sarap-sarap. Sabi ko nga, oo, tinuro din ako ni Sir Martin sa bahay niya. At si Sir Martin, isa din sa mga nalaman ko, talagang ano siya, OC. Talagang napaka-neat ng bahay niya. Especially yung kwarto niya, pinapasok niya kami sa kwarto niya. Ang linis, ang bango. Sabi ko, Sir Martin, mas maayos pa yata yung kwarto mo kaysa sa akin.
Phew! At last, nagbunga na rin ang lahat ng pagod namin sa pagbuo ng What Love Is concert. Pero alam nyo, hindi lang magandang numbers ang nabuo. Mula sa concert na ito, ay nabuo rin ang isang pamilya. Kaya naman hindi maaring hindi kami mag-celebrate sa tagumpay ng aming pinaghirapan. So shortly after the day of the concert, nagsama-sama kaming lahat to reminisce and to bond even more. Till my next entry, Sarah.